Have you been looking to start trading Forex but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. This video is going to be an ultimate guide that gives you a step-by-step process to find profitability in the markets. And it's all happening right now. You're not going to want to miss it. So to start off, Forex stands for the foreign exchange market. And this is a marketplace where you buy and sell national currencies. And it's very important to set realistic expectations about what you're going to endure in these markets. There are so many influencers telling you that you're going to get rich quick and quit your job tomorrow. It's very important to set realistic expectations not only for your financial goals, but your timeline to profitability. If you're a beginner and you have no idea anything about the foreign exchange market, you're most likely not going to find profitability within the first couple months of trading. So it's very important not to quit your 9-to-5 or not rely solely on Forex trading for your income. It's very important as a beginner to not set arbitrary deadlines to your profitability. Be goal-oriented instead of time-oriented. I can't tell you how many people say, oh, if I'm not profitable within 6 months or 8 months, I'm done trying. And if you have that mentality, you put so much pressure on yourself and you're taking shortcuts that overall prolong your whole entire journey. So it's very important to be goal-oriented and embrace the journey rather than setting arbitrary deadlines to your profitability. The profits will come if you take the proper steps necessary. It has nothing to do with time. It has to do with you putting in the work. The next expectation that you want to set straight are your financial goals with trading. If you're planning on making thousands of dollars off of a $100 account balance, you are delusional. It's very important to set realistic expectations for your financial goals based on your initial investment. A logical profit target that you should be setting in the back of your head is around 5 to 10% profit per month. If you're making that on a $100 account balance, you're only going to be generating around $5 to $10 per month. So you won't be able to live off of that. But if you have a $10,000 or $20,000 account, now that's something to live off of. Do not risk $100 or $200 in the markets and over leverage your account balance and think you're going to sustainably trade that way. It's very important to not only set the timeline to profitability straight, but also set your financial goals straight. Next, you're going to want to make sure to invest your time instead of your money. There are so many people that step into this space and invest their money into courses, mentorships, or even worse, trading signals. It's very important to invest your time in educating yourself on free educational platforms. We have our own free course at CapitalHillFX.com. 16 different lessons, 1 to 2 minute animated videos, graphic illustrations, and written word. It's very important that 99.99% of the free education out there is consumed by you. Make sure to not pay for courses or mentorships. That's just going to put more pressure on the whole entire journey. Make sure you're spending 15, 20, 30 hours understanding the basic terminology before you're going into the live markets. So now that you've invested your time in educating yourself, now you want to make sure to perform what's called a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a technique that allows you to identify your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. The reason you want to perform this is because you want to soul search and make sure that you put it on paper so that you can align your strengths, weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats with the style of trading that works for you. Considering there are 4 different types of trading styles: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading, you want to make sure that all of your strengths and weaknesses align with that style of trading that you're going to adapt in the markets. So it's very important to look up the different characteristics that each style of trading possesses and make sure that your SWOT analysis aligns with that style of trading. Once you decide the type of trader that you're going to be, now you can start developing your trading system. To start developing your own trading system, it's very important to do your own research and adapt different nuances that resonate with you. Instead of copying a profitable trader trade for trade, make sure to develop your own trading system. The best way to develop your own trading system is doing your own research. Go into Google and search top 5 most profitable scalping strategies and look at the top 5 or top 10 strategies that are yielding profit and adapt different nuances from each one of these strategies. For example, maybe you like moving averages, but you don't like fundamental data. Or maybe you like support and resistance and you don't like indicators. It's very important to make sure that you're doubling down on what makes sense to you and resonates to you, rather than just copying what other profitable traders are doing, but you have no idea what you're doing. So once you adapt all these different nuances that allows you to gain an edge in the markets, it's very important to set all of your trading criteria, whether it be in a Word document or physically writing it down. Most traders don't have their entry and exit criteria. So just by the act of having it down on paper or on a Word document, you're going to be better off than 90% of people who start trading Forex. Once you have your trading criteria, now we go on to a very important step. That's backtesting your trading system. Backtesting your trading system is one of the most important steps that you could take for preparing for the foreign exchange market. Backtesting allows you to derive statistical data around your trading system so that you know you have an edge in the market. And you're also able to train your eye for your trading setups, and it also allows you to gain confidence in your trading system so much more. So it's very important to backtest your trading system, simulate at least 20 trades per market on all the 25 to 30 different markets that you plan on trading. Do not trade a live market if you do not have statistical data around it. That is gambling. Some important metrics that you're going to want to track when you're backtesting are things like win rate, winning percentage, winning streaks, losing streaks, and rating the market on a scale of 0 to 5 stars. Once you have all of this data, now you're able to leverage that statistical probability instead of doing what most new traders do, is leveraging emotions, hopes, and feelings. Then, of course, you could filter out the markets that don't work extremely well with your trading system and only focus on the ones that work extremely well. After you backtest all the different currency pairs and you derive that statistical data, now it's time to go into a demo account and prove that you could actually trade that system in the live markets. The reason you want to go into a demo account instead of going straight to the live markets with your own capital is because I've seen so many people backtest a trading system and it works great, but then once they go into the live markets, they can't trade that trading system that they've backtested. So backtesting is proof of concept, deriving that statistical data, and then being able to trade it in demo is proving that you could actually trade that system that you have implemented in backtesting data. So make sure you're backtesting, and then you're at least spending 60 to 90 days profitable in a demo account, and then you can move on to the live markets with your own hard-earned capital. If you adapt this objective step-by-step process, I could bet that you are going to be in a much better position than 90% of most Forex traders stepping into the space are going to be in. So the question is, are you going to do it? If you got any insights or value from this video, all I ask is for you to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to post way more long-form content that will help you within your trading journey. This is Mike from CapitalHillFX. I love you all. Thank you so much for the support and happy trading. Cheers.